everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make a meatloaf. Yes, there's so many recipes for meatloaf, each one make it different, and today I want to show you my way. Tasty, juicy, unbelievable meatloaf. You gotta try it at home and you'll see what I'm talking about. So first I want to chop some onion. I want to chop them very fine. Nice, very fine. That's what we need. Now I'm gonna put it on the side. You can mix the meat and the other stuff in the bowl by hand, or you can use the dough mixer. So first let's put the ground beef, and I'm using here a store-bought corned beef in the can. So it's a corned beef. Just gonna break it apart a little bit. It will be easy to mix in the mixer after. Breadcrumbs, minced garlic, the onion we just chopped fine, dry oregano and dry parsley, 1 raw egg, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and here I have some ketchup and brown sugar, and I'm gonna make the glaze, but I'm gonna use half of it in the mix, and then the other half I'll leave it for the glaze. And Worcestershire sauce, and here the gelatin powder. So we're gonna give it a little mix, and I'm gonna put half of the amount in here. I'm gonna leave the other half for the glaze. Now let's put the bowl in. Perfect, ready to go. Get it out. Now let's work on it in the baking tray. Beautiful, look how smooth it is. And now we're gonna shape it to loaf. So doesn't have to be perfect, just shape it to look like a little loaf of bread. We're gonna cover it all with the glaze, which is the glaze ketchup, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce. Nice. Now for the first half an hour, make sure you preheat your oven on the 350, and for the first half an hour we're gonna cover it, and then uncover it and continue cooking it till it reach 160 interior, right in the middle. So your best friend always thermometer, because always depends on the oven you use. And now ready to go in the oven. Look at that lovely meatloaf. So we're gonna let it rest for 15 minutes, then slice it and serve it. So pretty much we put it for 35 minutes on a 350, slow roasting the meatloaf, and I uncover it. I put the rest of the glaze, and I let it cook for another 40 minutes, and was perfectly done, 160 interior. Lovely. Look at that. Now the moment of the truth. Oh, look at this beautiful caramelized glaze. Oh my goodness, look at this. Isn't that beautiful meatloaf? Look at that. Can't wait. Oh boy. delicious, flavorful, juicy meatloaf. It's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.